A famous psychologist Ashley says that kids are more likely to get addicted to junk food when compared to adults because their brains haven't developed to control yet. And early exposure to such addictive food may lead to ill health conditions later in life. Hello, happy parents. I'm your parenting coach Divya Sujan, and today we are going to speak about child's addiction to junk food, and I'm going to tell you that one solution that actually works. So be with me till the end. In most cases, it can be frustrating for us as parents when we are unable to fulfill our child's demands. In one of my personal counseling sessions with a parent, she was saying that it is not possible for me to provide my kid with ready-made food, and especially when his friends are having, he easily gets upset and starts demanding for junk food or money, and junk food is so expensive that we can't afford them. This is a common problem faced by parents today, and junk food comes in varieties of eye-catchy packets that is getting popular day by day, and kids gets easily attracted to such food and they immediately want to have it. And many parents adopt this culture as a status symbol and take it as if it's a prestige issue if they don't buy junk food in loads. And on the other side, parents who are financially incapable, they constantly live in guilt that they are unable to fulfill their child's demand. Let me tell you that parents who are spending a lot of money to make their child happy temporarily may have to face various issues as the child grows, and his desires gradually increases from minor to major. And the main point is that the child develops the unhealthy eating habit of eating junk food every now and then, which, if not checked, may cause ill health issues as the child grows. Surprisingly, I found that very few parents are concerned about this concept of healthy food. Eating out in hotels and restaurants and the culture of ready-made food is coming up so strongly that parents begin to develop that inferiority complex if they fail to follow this new trend. How to solve this problem? See, it's unfair to stop this all of a sudden or quarrel over your child's desire to have junk food. Also, it's not good for a parent to show his inability to buy, because this way they're injecting their inferiority complex into the child. So now we got to think of a way to adopt a good as well as healthy method to fulfill your child's desire. Thus, either providing it in excess or depriving the child of the item for which he has craving instills unhappiness, and ultimately he may end up trying to get it somehow by hook or by crook. So one way in which parent can cultivate a good habit is by making a strict healthy rule. They can fulfill the demand of their child of whatever he wants to eat on every weekend, with the condition attached that he got to have healthy food on weekdays, that is the other 6 days. This way, parents can control their feeling of guilt, and also the child learns to eat a good healthy food. So here in this case, junk food acts as an incentive or a reward with the health condition attached that only if they have healthy food for other 6 days. See, it's impossible to stop a child's natural urge to have junk food, but at the same time, we can balance it out by being more logical. This method teaches a child to be more positive, plus it's the easiest way to solve this problem and to make your child happy and healthy. So for more such practical solutions, follow my Instagram account. The link is down below in the description box. Drop a like and do comment your responses. Thanks a bunch for watching. Wishing you a happy and stress-free parent.